Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of seeing the Shopify admin bar on your store's preview, I'll show you how to remove it for a clearer and cleaner experience. Now let's go through the steps together. First of all, you have to log into your Shopify account. To do so, just go to your web browser and in the search bar type in shopify.com. After the website appears, enter your account credentials and select login. Now, once in the dashboard, a simple way to avoid the Shopify admin bar is by previewing your store without the bar's extra elements. When previewing your store, copy your store's URL from the address bar, then open a new incognito browser window, paste the URL, and view it there. You'll see your store as a visitor would, without the admin bar appearing at the top. Or if you want a permanent solution, you can also hide it via code. To do so, just go to Online Store, then select Themes, and click on the three dots to see the actions you can do to your theme here, next to the Customize button. Now click on Edit Code. In your theme CSS file, such as theme.css.liquid, add a line of code like .shopify admin bar display 2 points none. You can search for the code or and save the file. And that's all. Now you know how to remove your Shopify admin bar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any other questions regarding this subject, such as the line of code you'd like to appear, just leave them in the comments below the video. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.